Unit 1. Lesson 3. Grammar. Possessive marker
的
is used to express possession. For example, in the phrase,
我的爸爸我
means I,
我的
means my,
爸爸
means father. So the meaning of
我的爸爸
is my father. Here is another example. In the phrase,
他的朋友他
means she,
他的
means her,
朋友
means friend. So the meaning of
他的朋友
is her friend. One more example. In the phrase,
他的女朋友他
means he,
他的
means his,
女朋友
means girlfriend. So the meaning of
他的女朋友
is his girlfriend. However, when the relationship between two nouns are very close, such as family members, close friends, or romantic partners, the particle
的
can be omitted. So,
我的爸爸
becomes,
我爸爸他的朋友
becomes,
他朋友他的女朋友
becomes.
他女朋友
When there are more than 3 nouns in a sentence,
的
between the first and the second noun is usually omitted, with only one
的
placed between the last 2 nouns. For example,
我爸爸的朋友他妈妈的弟弟你姐姐的老师
next, there are 3 exercises for you. Please translate the following 3 phrases into Mandarin. Practice 1. His mom. The answer is,
他的妈妈
Practice 2. My teacher. The answer is,
我的老师
Practice 3. His dad's friend. The answer is,
他爸爸的朋友
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a sentence using
的
and write your sentence in the comment.